You might think it funny, you might think it strange, but she's the queen of the USA. 'Cause she's the queen of the USA.
How's it going? Hopefully all is well with you and yours. I am a little bit irritated because I originally wanted to have a video premiere right now and have a live chat with you guys to be able to reconnect. But last night I stayed up really late to do all the subtitles. I set my computer to export the video overnight. I woke up this morning and my computer was shut off, so I immediately started to process it again, and just a few minutes ago my computer shut off again. So that is very frustrating, but I know that there are always going to be setbacks. I'm going to use these setbacks, multiple, as an opportunity to go through the video and make it even stronger than it was before and get it to you tonight. I'm planning on having the video premiere at 8 p.m. PST tonight, so come join the live chat with me. I really look forward to reconnecting with you guys again, and until then, take care. May God and the Goddess bless you.